Most people think that you need millions to make money from property or real estate in Germany, but that's not true. I will show you guys exactly what you could do with your real estate or property in Germany to turn it into a serious cash flow machine and generate a good amount of income from your property in Germany, even if you're just getting started. So, let's dive into it. So as you can see here, the most biggest challenge is that these walls are not straight. I don't know if you can see because this house is from 1940, and before 1950s, 1940s, they were like the houses and the walls, the main walls were mostly built with sand, wood, yeah, so not real bricks. So you can see the challenging part is to get this tape in line with the roof and the wall, because the wall is not straight. So that is the challenging part. You can see that it's not really straight. Example, there you can see it's like the wall is like this. So yeah, that is one of the challenges which we are facing right now, but we will surely complete it. So here, and actually this wall also was not straight, but we made it a bit straight by breaking the wall and then plastering it to make it a bit straight. Yep. This is a bit before how it's looking, and then I will show you guys afterwards how it will look like. And then we will have the kitchen. So the kitchen walls will also get painted because you can see it's a bit dirty, but we made it white for now. So guys, the purpose of this video is to encourage you guys, expats in Germany or Germans who are watching this video. Owning a property in Germany is not that difficult, guys. And you could really make your first rental property, investment in real estate, that particular apartment or a multi-family house, whatever that real estate is, especially for investment purposes, you could turn that particular property into a money-making machine. So guys, like you saw in this video that we have painted this apartment. Now, painting the apartment gives you a lot of possibilities. First of all, if you're planning to rent your apartment out, if you have bought your investment property or if you have bought your real estate in Germany as an investment, this is what smart investors do. We put the minimum amount in our real estate and we take out the maximum benefits. So what it does, it improves the optics. Whenever you are planning to rent out your property, real estate in Germany, and you have bought it as an investment, then the tenants would see, okay, the apartment is well maintained. And painting is the most efficient and the most cost-effective strategy. Now, painting does not only gives a better optic, but it also helps for moisture. So when you paint the walls, so the walls, especially in the old houses, are more prone to absorb moisture, and not just the old houses, but also the new houses. They are prone to absorb moisture. Moisture is a disaster, especially for the old houses, which were built in 1920s, 1950s. And this is what I tell to all my viewers and my Patreons when they are planning to buy an old house. Guys, don't be afraid of the old houses. Of course, you must hire a Gutachter, a Sachverständiger, who will check if there are any major renovations needed. If not, then please go ahead with the old houses as well. It's not a bad idea at all, and you could get a really big bang for your buck. So the return on your investment could be huge. Anyways, so what it does, painting walls freshly also acts as a water resistant, moisture resistance, and this is why painting the walls or painting your apartment from inside could be a really good strategy for your real estate investment. So guys, this is what I wanted to let you guys know. Just we were painting that apartment and it gave a really good optic, as you could see. And of course, you could choose any colors. And like I said, you could also paint your house or your apartment yourself if you don't want to invest. But again, guys, when you are investing in real estate in Germany, it comes with a lot of benefits. Of course, when the property is bought as an investment property in Germany, then it comes with a lot of tax benefits, guys. And even if you hire someone to paint the house, all these could be claimed in tax as renovation cost. Lot of benefits, guys. You get a lot of benefits, trust me, and this is huge. This is how rich people become more rich, by investing into real estate. Real estate is one of the most tangible assets which you could own, which gives a really good return on your investment. So that's what I wanted to cover in this video, that owning a property in Germany is not a big deal, and also maintaining it, if you choose the right strategies, you could really make a lot of money through real estate in Germany. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and ciao.